Hi! I've got the unicorn books for you. We just got the hardcover versions in, and I wanted to share it with everybody. But before I do, let's address the elephant in the room. My trunk. I injured myself on a dog crate. Alright, here we go. Books. Super cool. Super durable. Let me show you a page. We're so excited. The color is awesome. We think you guys are going to really love this book. Here's our little husband, wifey, doggy picture for about the author and illustrator. Isn't that cute? So we hope that you would help us out and buy a copy. Tell your friends. Tell the world. Tell the Today Show if you want to. We're super excited. We hope you love Unicorn Parties Are So Exhausting.